Hi guys, we have some new consignments that just came in. Join us as we unbox them. There are some new products. So we've been introducing some new gadgets. You see, I told you guys here we don't compromise. We sell the best gadgets, direct from factory. Look at them. This is the 2024 AirPod Max. Latest. This is the Solo Beats Solo 4. This is a new product also. Apple Pencil Pro. It's a lot, guys. It's a lot. And remember, it's holiday season. Come and buy this Odogu. Odogu in a children's tab. This is Odogu in a children's tab. Once you buy this one, you have rest of mind. There's nothing like breaking. You fall, you pick your pad back. Okay. Buy from a reliable source. Thank you.